Hello and welcome viewers to another episode of Hit or Miss, where I keep bringing you fun ways of upgrading your cars with accessories and other stuff. And for the device that I have for you guys today, I have to demonstrate on my 9-year-old Mahindra XUV 500. So when I had bought this car, it was pretty feature loaded, but over the years I have gotten a little bored. So it is time to spruce up my daily driving experience, and for that I have this device which fits in my pocket and I use it daily, which is the car key. Now this is a smart car key, and in this video I will tell you all about it. So what do I mean by a smart car key? Well, of course it gets a screen first of all, but the key's main function is locking and unlocking your vehicle and allowing the ignition to trigger or turn off. And on that part, the key definitely locks and unlocks your vehicle at any given moment that you need to. But moreover, this smart key has now added a very crucial and convenient feature to my almost 9-year-old XUV 500, which is the proximity lock unlock, which means when I'm near the car unlocks itself, and when I'm going far away, it will lock itself also. And for that also, I have 6 different proximity settings that can gauge the distance and let me decide how far I want to be before the function triggers itself. Beyond that, the KeyDroid Smart Key also offers additional features such as safety lock unlock for your boot space and also your windows. Okay, so I've told you about all the physical features that this smart key opens up for you and your vehicle. But then there are some digital functions here as well, including this 2.2-inch UHD screen that lets you operate different functions, and you can lock and unlock your car from here as well. Now, one of the things that KeyDroid does for you is it will also configure the logo of your car's brand within the UI of this key screen. Now let me show you what all happens here. Now this is the lock unlock window, then you have the master control for your boot space and also an additional function key that you can configure for any other function. Then here you can adjust the PKE settings, which is basically your proximity lock unlock that can be configured for both open and close and only lock function as well. Then going back from here, you also get other functions for your lock car window. You also get a valet mode where you can feed in your mobile number just in case a valet needs to get in touch with you. And that is a very handy feature. Again, a very smart feature if you may. Then you also get settings for opening and closing your smart trunk. Going forward again, then you have a different amount of settings that are again accessible to you, including this signal setting that lets you decide between 6 signal strengths or distances in regards to the proximity lock unlock feature that I showed you earlier. Now, apart from that, in terms of the brightness, the screen I think is a little low because on a sunny day like right now, I was not able to really see what was happening on the screen when I was outside. But KeyDroid has given 4 physical buttons around this key, including your lock, unlock, power button for the screen, and even the boot function. Now in terms of battery life, the KeyDroid Smart Key is good for up to 6 months without requiring a recharge for these physical buttons that you see here. But KeyDroid claims that this smart screen in the middle, the 2.2-inch screen, can run for up to 2 weeks on a single charge. But in my personal experience, this screen has worked for well up to 1 month when I was using it on a day-to-day basis. So I would say the claims align with the performance of this device. However, every 6 months and every month you will have to charge it once using the USB-C cable that is provided in the box itself. Now I have told you all about the features that this smart key is offering you, but let me tell you how it operates. Now it operates based on an OBD signal receiver that you need to stick into your vehicle's OBD2 port. And that is how the vehicle and the smart key interact with each other and know when you are nearby or not. Now don't get worried already, because this is still a plug and play affair, because most modern cars, all modern cars in fact, have an OBD2 connector as they are standard equipment. Now apart from all those features and functions, the KeyDroid smart device also claims to offer Apple's Find My function, so that if it ever gets lost, you can track it on your mobile device, an Apple mobile device. However, that is one function of this smart device that I have not been able to use or configure myself during the time I have had this key, which is well over 3 months. Now I have told you all about what this key does, the features it offers. Now let me tell you how you can get one. But before that, you should know that this key can only be configured to cars that offer the push start stop button system. Now that is a limitation that you have with this smart key. To buy your own KeyDroid smart key, you need to head to their website, and once you have bought a key, the KeyDroid team will schedule a pickup from your place for the duplicate key of your vehicle. Now once you hand over the duplicate key to them, it will go to one of their centers. Across India, the process is much faster in tier 1 and 2 cities, and after they receive the key, they will configure your duplicate key to this smart device that I have in my hand, and then they will ship it back to you. Now in tier 1 and 2 cities, again this entire process takes around 1 to 2 days and a bit longer for more remote areas. And that is how you get your own KeyDroid smart device. So that, viewers, was all about the KeyDroid smart key solution for any car with a push button start stop system. It can be used by owners of a bit older cars like myself, and even high-end luxury vehicles such as owners of Mercedes-Benzes and even BMWs. However, between the Rs 14,000 to Rs 16,000 price bracket, where different models are being offered by KeyDroid, this is a pretty pricey proposition for some features that might not even be needed to owners of newer vehicles. Let us know what you thought about this device in the comment section below. As for me, I definitely think that this can be a very fun way of elevating your daily driving experience if you have an older car and might be getting a little bored of it and do not want to make any illegal upgrades or changes or modifications. Let us know what you thought about this device in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and also press on that bell icon to get instant notifications on all our uploads.